How's she going? Big Sammy here, and today we're talking about white goods. This here machine, I don't know why I wanted to talk about this particularly, but it's a mighty machine, right? And it only costs about $169.99, and it's good. I got her from Argos. It's the Bush WMDF612W. It's right and easy to remember. The missus is doing a wash here, and I thought I don't know if you can even hear me over all the shouting of the machine, but sure, we'll go anyway. I didn't really see much on this on YouTube, so I thought I'd fire this up and see what you think. Now, she's got a whole load of settings on her, and I don't know what half of these do. The missus will know all of that. Maybe she should be doing this. Anyway, you got your rapid and your daily 60 degrees. Shirts and mix. That mix setting, I'm told, is the 30-degree setting. That's quite good for all of it, you know. And your other settings there too. 1200 RPM spin on her. She's quite small, but it's pretty good. There's churning away. And she goes A++ economy, which is what you want nowadays. That's the gist of that there. I'd recommend. It saves us washing our clothes in the shuck or the nearby stream. Anyway, that's about it. Take it or leave it. Big Sammy here. Take her easy. Alright.